right next to the car. You see
Oh,
it?
look at that, guys.
Whoa.
Look at.
They're getting right up next to the cars.
Oh, go, go, go.
They are pecking at those cars.
Oh yeah, I'm sure the Lexus owners love it.
He's peeking his head right over the top. That's cute.
It's like,
Oh!
wow. Saw something they liked, huh?
Wow. Oh, it's coming up to our
Go,
car.
go, go.
No, don't go.
Yeah, I don't want it picking on my car. Go around.
Where is it?
It's right there. It's right behind us.
I can't see it.
It's right there.
It's right behind us.
Picking on me.
It's not coming to
I
us
left
now.
out another door off to fix.
Okay, it's not by us anymore.
There's a couple over